God said, I'm turning your confusion into direction, my friend. Listen to me closely, because I am about to speak directly into the fog, the uncertainty, the mental exhaustion, and the silent frustration you have been carrying. This is not a casual word. This is a divine interruption. Heaven is leaning into your life today with clarity, with purpose, and with authority. And God is saying to you right now, I'm turning your confusion into direction. Not tomorrow, not eventually, not someday. Now, in this moment, in the midst of the questions you've been asking, the doubts you've been wrestling with, the decisions that feel overwhelming, the crossroads that feel paralyzing, God is stepping into the chaos and giving you direction. You have walked through a season that shook your certainty. You have battled thoughts that left you tired. You have stood in places where nothing made sense. You have prayed prayers that felt unanswered. You have questioned everything: your timing, your decisions, your relationships, your opportunities, your identity, even your purpose. And what made it harder is that you didn't tell anyone how confused you were. You smiled while you felt lost. You functioned while you felt directionless. You helped others while you felt uncertain about your own path. You showed strength while your mind was weary. And heaven saw every moment. Confusion is heavy. Confusion exhausts your spirit. Confusion drains your energy. Confusion weakens your confidence. Confusion blurs your identity. Confusion makes you second guess your decisions. Confusion makes you question your worth. Confusion causes you to delay what you are called to pursue. And confusion keeps you stuck in cycles that God is calling you out of. But hear me, confusion is not a sign of failure. It is a sign that you are on the verge of transition. When God is shifting you from who you were to who you are becoming, there is always a moment where everything feels uncertain. Not because you are lost, but because God is rearranging your path. You are not confused, you are being rewired. You are not stuck, you are being redirected. You are not abandoned, you are being prepared. And now God is stepping into the middle of your uncertainty and saying, I'm turning your confusion into direction. You have been praying for clarity, and the answer is coming. You have been asking for a sign, and God is giving you alignment. You have been trying to figure out what to do next. And God is about to remove the fog that has clouded your vision. You have been trying to force yourself to make a decision, but God is about to make the decision clear. You have been wrestling with options that feel heavy, but God is about to highlight the one that leads to peace. Confusion is ending. Direction is beginning. God is about to give you guidance that eliminates guesswork. You will not stumble into your next step. You will walk into it with confidence. You will not choose out of fear. You will choose out of clarity. You will not move out of pressure. You will move out of purpose. You will not be driven by anxiety. You will be guided by wisdom. God said, I'm turning your confusion into direction, because you are stepping into a season where clarity will become your strength. You will begin to see things differently, deeper, sharper, clearer. You will understand what once confused you. You will discern what once deceived you. You will see the truth behind what once distracted you. You will gain insight into what once overwhelmed you. Direction is coming. But hear me, before God gives you direction, he removes what created confusion. And confusion has multiple sources. Some confusion comes from people who speak into your life without being assigned to your journey. Some confusion comes from staying connected to relationships that drain your spirit. Some confusion comes from environments that no longer align with your calling. Some confusion comes from overthinking that undermines your faith. Some confusion comes from fear disguised as logic. Some confusion comes from opportunities that look good but aren't good for your destiny. Some confusion comes from voices you trusted but should have released. And God is removing those sources one by one. Some people will go quiet, let them. Some opportunities will fall through, let them. Some plans will collapse, let them. Some relationships will shift, let them. Some doors will close, let them. You are not losing direction, you are losing interference. You are not losing people, you are losing confusion. You are not losing opportunities, you are losing misalignment. You are not losing comfort, you are losing what kept you stuck. You are not losing options, you are losing distractions. God is clearing the noise so you can hear his voice. He is removing the fog so you can see your path. He is shrinking your circle so you can gain perspective. He is slowing your pace so you can gain clarity. He is interrupting your routine so you can access destiny. Confusion thrives in noise. Direction is born in silence. That's why God pulled you away from some people. That's why he quieted your social life. That's why he unsettled your comfort. That's why he isolated you in certain seasons. That's why he closed doors. He knew you would have forced open. He needed to reposition you so he could redirect you. You have been trying to understand everything at once. You've been trying to see 5 steps ahead. You've been trying to decode the entire plan. But God doesn't give you a map, he gives you a next step. And the next step is about to become clear. God said, I'm turning your confusion into direction, which means you will know what job to take. You will know what relationship is right. You will know what opportunity to pursue. You will know what dream to invest in. You will know who belongs in your next chapter. You will know what habit to release. You will know what environment to leave. You will know what decision aligns with your destiny. Confusion created pressure. Direction will create peace. You're about to walk into peace you haven't felt in years. Peace in your decisions. Peace in your relationships. Peace in your purpose. Peace in your mind. Peace in your spirit. Peace in your next step. Because direction always produces peace. People may not understand your choices in this season, but they don't have to. God is not giving them the direction, he is giving it to you. Some will gossip, some will question you, some will doubt you, some will misunderstand you, but they are responding from their confusion, not your clarity. You cannot live your life trying to satisfy people who do not have access to God's voice for your future. You are not obligated to explain your obedience. You are not required to justify your alignment. You are not responsible for making your direction make sense to others. You are responsible only for following the clarity God gives you. And clarity is coming. There is a shift happening in your spirit even now. You feel it. You sense it. You can tell something is reorganizing internally. Your desires are changing. Your priorities are shifting. Your mindset is evolving. Your spirit is becoming sensitive again. You are listening differently. You are thinking differently. You are seeing differently. These are signs that direction is emerging. Don't ignore that inner pull. Don't silence that inner knowing. Don't dismiss that inner conviction. That is God redirecting you. Sometimes direction doesn't come through words, it comes through desire. Sometimes direction doesn't come through signs, it comes through discomfort. Sometimes direction doesn't come through clarity, it comes through closed doors. Sometimes direction doesn't come through certainty, it comes through peace. God guides you through the shaping of your spirit. He will make you lose taste for what is beneath your calling. He will make you restless in places you've outgrown. He will make you uninterested in relationships that weaken you. He will close doors that no longer serve your purpose. He will remove options that would have hindered your growth. God leads by alignment, not by pressure, and everything in your life is beginning to align. You will soon look back at this confusing season and realize it was the birthplace of your greatest clarity. You will remember the fog and thank God for not letting you make decisions in the dark. You will remember the uncertainty and realize it was preparation for precision. You will remember the frustration and see that it protected you from stepping into the wrong direction. Sometimes God confuses you temporarily so he can guide you permanently. You are not being punished, you are being directed. You are not being blocked, you are being positioned. You are not being delayed, you are being aligned. You are not being ignored, you are being guided. God is turning your confusion into direction. Pray this from your heart, God. Remove the fog from my mind. Quiet the noise around me. Silence the fear within me. Expose every distraction. Eliminate every false voice. Strengthen my discernment. Guide my next step. Give me clarity that aligns with your purpose. Lead me in the direction you designed for my life. When you pray this, expect movement. Expect shift. Expect clarity. Expect peace. Expect alignment. You won't walk blindly into your future. You will walk purposefully. You won't make decisions out of fear. You will make them out of wisdom. You won't hesitate like before. You will move with confidence. You won't wonder what to do. You will know. Direction is coming to your spirit. Direction is coming to your mind. Direction is coming to your relationships. Direction is coming to your purpose. Direction is coming to your next chapter. God said, I'm turning your confusion into direction, and nothing can stop clarity when heaven releases it.